Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best windshield wiper kit is probably one of the most essential upgrades for any side-by-side vehicle enthusiast. Whether you're tackling muddy trails, dusty roads, or unpredictable weather conditions, clear visibility is paramount. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of side-by-side windshield wiper kits, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you choose the perfect one to keep your view crystal clear, no matter the adventure. Number 5. KEMIMOTO UTV Manual Windshield Wiper Kit. This KEMIMOTO wiper kit ensures a clear view while you're driving your UTV. It helps you maintain visibility in various conditions, enhancing your safety on the trail. This manual wiper kit is designed for wide compatibility. It fits many UTV models, including Maverick X3, Commander, and Defender Pro, as well as golf carts. The wiper blade is 16 inches long. The design ensures it effectively clears the windshield, providing a wide field of view. This wiper kit is built to last. It replaces attaching straps and is designed to resist rust and rattling, ensuring reliable performance. The hand-operated wiper mounts easily to hard-coated polycarbonate or glass windshields. The precision tension steel spring ensures uniform pressure for effective wiping. What we like. This manual wiper kit keeps your windshield clear with its hand-operated design. It's built to last and fits a wide range of UTVs and golf carts. If you're looking for a simple, reliable solution without the need for power, this is a great choice. What people say. It was easy to install and after a little tweaking it works great. It applies good pressure to the windshield and wipes cleans. Coverage for the wiper is way better than I expected. Number 4. Universal UTV and Golf Cart Wiper Blade Kit. Introducing the Universal Wiper Blade Kit, designed for UTVs and golf carts. This kit ensures you have a clear view, no matter the weather conditions. It's the perfect solution for keeping your windshield clean. This wiper blade features a heavy-duty, all-weather design. The premium silicon rubber hybrid blade is built for durability. The stainless steel arms are corrosion-proof. Installation is a breeze with the tool-free snap system. It takes only 3 minutes to install. It is suitable for flat and curved windshields. The kit includes a 15.6-inch wiper blade and a hand-operated wiper arm. It's everything you need for immediate use. Get yours today and experience the difference. This kit is compatible with UTVs like Polaris RZR and Can-Am Maverick, and golf carts such as Club Car and Yamaha. Please note, it is not compatible with heated windshields or power wiper systems. What we like. This wiper kit offers a super easy, tool-free installation, saving you time and hassle. It's made with heavy-duty, all-weather materials for long-lasting performance. If you value convenience and durability, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Works great and easy install. Works good and it was easy to install. I just needed the wiper arm worked for what I needed, looks like good quality. Number 3. Valchoose 16 UTV Hand Wiper. When the mud splashes up or the rain comes down, this wiper ensures a clear view. The precision tension steel spring applies uniform pressure along the entire blade. This 16 rubber blade offers a smooth, quiet operation. The design improves airflow, eliminating scratches, noise, and friction. This wiper kit fits most UTVs, including Polaris RZR, Ranger, and Honda Pioneer. It's also suitable for golf carts. Mounting is simple on hard-coated polycarbonate or glass windshields. You might need to drill a 1-2-inch hole before installation, but instructions are included. Whether you're racing or exploring, this Valchoose windshield wiper kit keeps your view clear. It's the perfect accessory for any adventure. What we like. This wiper kit ensures a clear view with its precision design, eliminating noise and friction. It's easy to install on most UTVs and golf carts. If you like a quiet and smooth wiping experience, you should consider this. What people say. Was easily installed, works as it should, better than no wiper at all. Installed on my cab for my Cub Cadet lawn tractor, easy install. Works as it should. Decent wiper for the money and what I intend to use it for. Works great and at a good price. Fits perfectly on my glass windshield of my UTV. The length of the wiper blade and arm measurement that the seller provided was what sold me. Number 2. KEMIMOTO UTV Electric Windshield Wiper Kit. This KEMIMOTO wiper kit features a 90-degree sweep, ensuring a wide cleaning range. It can also be wired together for a dual wiper system, offering even better visibility in challenging conditions. The kit includes a 16-inch rubber blade. Please check the dimensions to ensure it fits your UTV windshield properly, preventing any installation issues. This electric windshield wiper kit is designed for universal compatibility. It fits a wide range of UTV models, including Polaris, Can-Am, and more. You can mount the 12V motor to the header panel or the left corner of the windshield. An installation video is available to guide you through the process. The package includes everything you need: a wiper motor, blade, arm, and all necessary hardware. This ensures a straightforward installation process. What we like. This electric wiper kit offers the convenience of power operation. It's compatible with a wide range of UTVs and even offers a dual wiper option. If you want the ease of electric wipers and a broader compatibility, this is the one for you. What people say. The installation was a breeze, even for someone like me who isn't a seasoned mechanic. The kit came with clear instructions, making it a straightforward process. The wiper motor worked seamlessly, providing excellent visibility during rain or snow. The wiper operates quietly, and the adjustable speed settings are a nice touch. Number 1. Universal 12V Wiper Motor Kit. This universal wiper motor kit is designed for hard-coated or glass windshields. It's a reliable solution to keep your windshield clear in various weather conditions. It ensures optimal visibility while driving. The kit features a 110-degree sweep, providing a wide cleaning area. This ensures that the wipers effectively clear a large portion of the windshield. This feature enhances driving safety. It comes with an 11.8-inch arm and a 15.7-inch blade. These dimensions are suitable for many windshield sizes. The design ensures efficient and effective wiping performance. The kit is designed for easy installation, making it a convenient upgrade. You can quickly install it without professional help. It's a practical and user-friendly solution. This wiper motor operates on 12V power with a 30W output. It provides sufficient power for consistent and reliable wiping action. This ensures clear visibility in various conditions. What we like. This electric wiper kit offers the convenience of power operation. It's a standard design and easy to install. If you want the ease of electric wipers, this is the one for you. What people say. Installed on our KRX 1000 side X side. Works great, cleans windshield clean, easy install. Have used it a lot this winter in the snow. The second one worked great. It was easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.